Hello students, today we are going to solve 8th numerical. Question is given as the measurement is not made in square meter in case of. Now the first option is damp proof course, another one is form work, next one is concrete Jeffries, and the last one is RC Chhajja. Now we know that damp proof course is generally measured in terms of meter square, form work is generally measured in terms of meter square, concrete Jeffries, Jali works are also measured in terms of meter square, and only CC or RCC Chhajja sunshade is measured in terms of meter cube. So only RCC Chhajja is measured in terms of meter cube. So the correct option is option D. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much students.